If you want to manage DLC in Epic Games, this quick guide will show you exactly how to find add-ons, explore extra content, and access the options you need inside the Epic Games launcher. Whether you're looking to see what DLC is available for a game you already own, or you just want a simple way to browse add-ons in one place, this is the fastest method to follow. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your library. This is where all of your installed and owned games are listed, so find the game you want to manage DLC for. If you have a lot of games in your library, you can scroll through them or use the search function if it's available to help you locate the correct title faster. Once you've found the game, look for the three dots icon next to the game title. This menu gives you additional options for that specific game, and it's where you'll find the tools related to add-ons and extra content. Click the three dots carefully, and a menu should appear with a few different choices. From that menu, select Explore Add-ons. This is the option you want if you're trying to see available DLC, expansions, or other extra content connected to that game. Epic Games will take you to the store page where you can browse what's available. Depending on the game, you may see cosmetic packs, expansion content, bundles, or other downloadable extras. If you're planning to buy DLC, take your time and review each add-on before purchasing. Make sure it's compatible with the base game you own, and double check whether it's included in any edition or bundle you may already have. That can help you avoid paying twice for content you already own. If you just want to manage what you already have, this same area is useful for checking the add-ons tied to your game. It's a simple way to keep track of extra content without having to search across multiple pages or storefronts. In many cases, this is the easiest place to discover what's available before you install or purchase anything. So the process is really that simple. Open Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, click the three dots next to the game, and choose Explore Add-ons. In just a few clicks, you can manage DLC options and browse extra content for your game. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.